Home DNA test kits were top sellers on Amazon this past Christmas. Millions see clues to their family history and, most importantly, their health. But how accurate are they? Kim Komando with your Friday Consumer Tech Update. Companies like Ancestry.com, GenGov, National Geographic, and the biggest of all, 23andMe, sell the kits. In early 2017, Inside Edition tested 3 sets of identical triplets, one of them Dr. Phil McGraw. They found significant differences that with triplets shouldn't be there. The latest doubt comes from a reporter writing for Gizmodo, Kristen Brown. She took 4 DNA tests, received 4 different results. She writes that these tests are more toys than scientific tools. They're for entertainment. The article cautions that since 23andMe and all the others do not stress that DNA kits may sometimes be very inaccurate, the test could go as far as to cause damage to family relationships. My advice, if you have a DNA kit, have fun with it. Then let it go. I'm Kim Komando.